Brigades from across the allied NATO forces have gathered in Estonia to conduct training on a large scale. This includes brigade training as well as reservist training. We are now joined by Lieutenant Colonel Madis Koosa of the 2nd Infantry Brigade. Thank you so much for your time. So the first question we would like to ask is, in terms of the deployment of allied forces, should an act of aggression or open aggression occur within the borders, what is the scope for deployment and what are some of the key challenges which would be entailed within this deployment strategy?
So during this exercise, we have been exercising deployment of a brigade. In a case of war, NATO will definitely deploy more than one brigade. But since the 4th UK Brigade is part of the Estonian division, so we have exercised how to bring that brigade from the UK to Estonia. Main difficulties, definitely the overall logistics, what kind of methods to use, ferry, trains, planes, all that together. And when multiple units are moving, there will be also a competition for this resource. So this is how we get valuable lessons. What do we need? For example, maybe the Rail Baltic project, etc. So whatever to make that kind of deployments faster.
And what about some of the challenges involved in the historic infrastructure, which is currently still in place within the Baltic states? So, for example, the railway systems.
Yeah, it can be a problem, but we are really confident that the overall intelligence information that we have is enough to start all these movements early enough. So we feel confident that already currently we don't have any problems to bring in the allied units we need. But of course, the improvement, for example, building a new bridge in Latvia, building new railroads, it will give us more flexibility.
And maritime routes, perhaps?
Yeah, definitely. And thanks to Finland and Sweden joining NATO, the overall situation in the Baltic Sea is more in our favor. So it is an important part of these deployments, definitely.
And finally, in terms of deterrence, what are some of the key strategic components of deterrence of NATO at the moment, and how are they being tested during these exercises?
Deterrence is never one certain thing, so it's the overall and really complex question. But already the fact that during this exercise we have thousands of allies here in this small country and exercising all together using the same SOPs. And it's not just what you see here. There is also ongoing exercises of, for example, a deep battle, how to strike targets further in depth, not just exercising with tanks. So everything is a message, and we are confident that if needed, we can use all of that.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it. And thank you. That was Susanna Jurek for TVP World from Estonia.